Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at top 5 verified resume apps for Android. The first on our list is Kick Resume. That's an AI resume builder. This app offers about 40 plus expertly designed templates, AI powered resume writing, and a vast library of pre-written job specific phrases. It is free to use with premium features starting at $7 per month. Next on our list is Canva. Canva allows you to design photo and video. Canva is a well-known graphic design platform that offers a variety of tools for creating social media posts, infographics, posters, and resumes. It is free to use with premium features starting at $12.99 per month. The third on our list is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word's mobile app offers two basic resume templates that you can customize however you want. It also lets you sync documents between your phone and the computer. It's free to use with a subscription required for full features starting at $6.99 per month. Next, we have Resume Builder PDF Resume app. Now, this app offers a library of more than 125 resume samples for specific jobs, in-app suggestions for optimizing your resume, and professional resume writers available to help on demand, and it is completely free to use. Last on our list is Quick Resume Pro. This app creates a resume for you automatically using your professional details. It offers 7 PDF resume styles, resume copy saving tools, and Dropbox, email, and printing capabilities. It is free to download with premium features available as in-app purchases. It's as simple as that.